We want to take you on a virtual tour with multiple Grammy Award winner Alicia Keys, NVIDIA founder and CEO Jensen Huang, and 6-time Formula One world champion Lewis Hamilton. Each will give you a different take on our new flagship.
Hey, y'all. Step into my new living room/studio. I want to show you something. Usually I like to drive, but today I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy the sound. As a musician, I love that I can load my own sound profile. Cause honestly, I need a little extra bass. Man, this feels so good. It's like pure, it's crisp, it's 4-dimensional. I love that I can control every aspect of it. It's almost physical, you can feel it. When I'm in here and I turn the music off, I can hear a pin drop, it's so quiet. And then when I turn the music up, it's a beautiful experience.
Hey guys, glad you could join me today for riding this incredible machine. You are gonna love it.
As a true car enthusiast, I'm super excited to experience the new S-Class. The technology in this car is remarkable. For instance, it immediately recognizes me and sets up all my preferences in the vehicle. The seat position, the mirror, the lighting, the infotainment settings, and more.
In the new S-Class, high-tech and high luxury really come together.
And look at all the technologies that's packed into this car. There's more computing power packed into this car than any car ever. 3 powerful computer chips with NVIDIA GPUs. The car could sense you, see you, so when you gesture, you're like Tony Stark. You just wave in the sky, and you can control things. Hey Mercedes, I've had a long day. I'm ready to relax.
Maybe the well-being program will help you. I will turn it on.
And please call Ola. I need to let him know how awesome you are.
Okay, I am calling Ola Kalenius.
Thanks, Mercedes.
Hi guys, thanks so much for being with us today. I'm just about to pick up the S-Class for a short test drive, except I'm not going anywhere. It's coming to me all by itself. Alright. Of course, my personal MBUX profile is set to performance mode. Let's take this beauty for a spin. Racing is work. But when I'm not working, I like to take it easy on the road. This car is incredible. It takes care of you and you don't even know what it's doing in the background. And the ongoing improvements of the S-Classes driver's assistance systems are similar to the updates that we have in Formula One. Whether here on the road or on the racetrack, you can't always see what's around the corner. When I'm racing, I know the circuit. I know if there's a challenging section of the track ahead of me. This car does things a little bit different because it can predict what's up ahead. To sit here, it's a great way to unwind. Although I can still show you what this new S-Class is capable of.
This is the new S-Class. It's more than just a car. It takes care of me. Brightens up my days and nights, and opens up new possibilities. It makes me feel calm, extremely comfortable, and at all times connected. Sounds good, right? It doesn't just look after me. It also protects those around, is attentive, and most importantly, takes care of everyone. But I stay in control and always set the right mood. It's my partner, one that knows what I like and brings me to where I'd like to go next, without getting lost. The new S-Class.